In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine for AI images. Step by step 2026. By the end, you'll comfortably navigate the interface, browse creative results, and save exactly what you need for your projects. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. A modern browser and a steady connection will make everything load quickly and preview smoothly. If you have an account, take a moment to sign in. It isn't strictly required to look around, but logging in helps you save favorites, keep track of downloads, and pick up where you left off on any device. Look for the sign-in option near the top of the page and follow the prompts. On the homepage, you'll land in the Grok AI workspace. Think of this as your dashboard, clean, focused, and designed to put images front and center. You'll see the main area where content appears, plus controls that help you move through the experience without getting lost. Glance to the left sidebar and locate the image list. This panel is your jumping off point. It organizes what's available so you can quickly scan through options. If you're exploring, simply scroll. If you already have a style in mind, use whatever filters or categories are visible to narrow things down. Take a second to note aspect ratios, color themes, and mood as you browse. Those small cues make it easier to spot a perfect match. You'll see a range of images Grok has listed for you to explore. Thumbnails are intentionally compact, so hover or click to get a clearer view. When something catches your eye, open it to examine details like composition and sharpness. A quick preview helps you avoid downloading the wrong size or style. When you're ready, click the image you want. This opens a dedicated view with options to save it or set it as a video or image, depending on what's available for that asset. Choose the format that fits your use case. PNG or JPG for most designs, and a video format if the image includes motion. If you can pick a resolution, go higher for print or cropping flexibility, and smaller for web speed. Before saving, confirm the destination folder so you can find it later, and consider renaming the file with a clear, project-friendly title. That's the workflow. Visit grok.com, sign in if you want your progress saved, use the image list to explore, preview thoughtfully, and save in the format that suits your needs. Pause and replay as you follow along, and you'll be producing polished results in minutes.